King Carouse here, your Black History buff, taking you on a journey through time. Today, we're celebrating Claudia Jones, the woman who brought the Caribbean sunshine to London streets. Born in Trinidad in 1915, Claudia's life took her from the Caribbean to the US and finally to the UK, when in 1955 she was deported for her political activism. But Claudia wasn't one to be silenced. In London, she saw a community in need of a voice and celebration. The answer? The West Indian Gazette, Britain's first major black newspaper, which she founded in 1958. But Claudia's biggest legacy came in 1959 in response to racial tensions and the Notting Hill riots. She helped organize an event that would change British culture forever, an indoor Caribbean carnival. This celebration of Caribbean culture was the seed that grew into the Notting Hill Carnival we know today. From a small indoor event to Europe's biggest street festival, it's a living testament to Claudia's vision of unity through culture. Claudia Jones showed us that joy can be an act of resistance, that celebrating our culture can bring people together and challenge prejudice. Her life reminds us that even in the face of adversity, we can create something beautiful that lasts for generations. We're continuing our 31 Days of Black British History series. Next week, find us on Instagram for more powerful stories. And if you want the full series, join my Patreon. It's completely free. Like and subscribe to keep celebrating with us. Stay blessed.